In the late Cold War era, the Soviet Union launched one of its most ambitious and mysterious deep space projects, the Phobos program, aimed at Mars and its mysterious moon Phobos, a dark irregular body only about 22 kilometers across, orbiting extremely close to Mars. From the beginning, everything was going smoothly. The twin spacecraft Phobos 1 and Phobos 2 were launched from Baikonur Cosmodrome using the heavy Proton-K rocket. Proton-K stood roughly 50-57 meters tall, with a base diameter near 7.4 meters, and delivered about 8.8 meganewtons of liftoff thrust, one of the most powerful launchers of its era. Both missions launched within days, Phobos 1 on July 7, 1988, and Phobos 2 on July 12, 1988. These probes were not built only for Phobos. They were full Mars system science laboratories, studying the Martian atmosphere, surface temperatures, dust, and also the interplanetary environment, solar wind, plasma, radiation, what some sources loosely call studying the sun. At that time, nobody could even imagine what was coming next. Phobos 1 flew normally for nearly 2 months. Then everything ended suddenly. On September 2, 1988, contact was lost after an uploaded command error likely disabled attitude control. Without stable sun pointing, the spacecraft's power system collapsed and the batteries drained. Phobos 2 succeeded where its twin failed. It reached Mars and entered orbit on January 29, 1989, sending back valuable science and 37 images of Phobos, with surface details sometimes described around 40 meters resolution. The probe made a close pass on March 25, 1989 at about 120 to 170 kilometers from Phobos, far closer than typical Mars orbiters, but still not the 50 meters sometimes climbed online. Then something very unusual happened. Near the decisive moment, the mission suddenly died. On March 27, 1989, Phobos 2 stopped communicating. Some flight managers' accounts suggest it began spinning before losing contact, consistent with a onboard computer or attitude control failure. And then another dramatic detail unfolded. An elongated, mysterious 20-kilometer shadow-like feature reported in thermal imaging days earlier, probably Phobos' shadow on Mars, but no definitive answers. It could be space debris or even unknown natural phenomenon. However, without full telemetry, room remains for Phobos 2 mission failure speculation. A control system crash, electromagnetic anomaly causing onboard computer failure, or even catastrophic collision with debris of unknown origin. So, what do you think really happened to Phobos 2? Leave your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoy this deep space history, subscribe for more mainstream science documentaries like this.